Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VERDE and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, an easy recipe for you. That's right, Copycat chili Southwestern egg roll. Alright, so you're going to need just a bag and a half of this right here, which is spinach. Here's my half a bag right here. This is 8 ounces of this right here. Spinach. Fresh. Anyway, this is 2 chicken breasts. I just sliced them thinly. They were kind of bulky, so I just sliced it up thinly. This is some oil. This is some ghee butter and regular butter. So this is like about 4 tablespoons of that. I have some salt and pepper for my spinach right here. This ain't nothing but probably a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. This right here is what we're going to season our chicken with. This right here is, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion, granulated. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and I have some salt. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in this also. Okay guys, you're going to need some Monterey Jack, cheese, the whole bag. You're going to need some, this is why it's going to be easy because I'm not going to make this sauce. If you want me to make this sauce, please comment down below. If you do want to see me make both of these sauces. Alright, this ain't nothing but like some jalapeno and like green tomato. Alright, this is my avocado and ranch right here. I'm using from Taco Bell. Very cheap, inexpensive to do, okay? That's why I'm making it for you. Very easy to do, guys. There's my vegan egg roll wraps right here. I'm going to be using. You're going to need you some black beans. I probably use half of this, just depending on how it looks. This is a cup of corn, frozen corn. And this is a cup of red bell peppers. Okay guys? Alright, we're going to go ahead and start working on this chicken. We're just going to season this up on both sides. Like so. Much as you want, guys. It's not super salty at all. Okay? Because there's going to be a lot of different flavors going in that Southwestern egg roll. And if you guys hear somebody talking in the back, it's like my neighbors. I don't know why they sitting in the hall having a conversation, but they is. So it's out of my control. I really do go through hell and hot water living here. No doubt about it. So please guys, share me out. Help me get up out of the situation I'm in. You know, and the best way you can do that is by sharing me out to other people. Take you guys to the stove. That's what it looks like. Take you guys to the stove and we'll go ahead and cook this up. It shouldn't take no more than about 3 to 4 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I got this on medium. I'm just going to pour some of this in here. Just like so. We don't need much of it. Rotate that around. I'll lay our chicken breast in there. Alright, I'll say about 2.5 minutes on each side. Actually, in between 2 to 2.5, because we're going to cook this again. I say 2 minutes flat on each side, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just flipped it. It's only been 2 minutes. As you can see, some of it's not done all the way. So yeah, that's how that looks up close. We're going to continue cooking this, and then we're going to take it over there at the chopping board and let that rest for about 3 minutes. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We took our chicken out. We're just going to throw our bell peppers in here. Start mixing this around. Now we're going to take our spinach, put that in there. And this will break down real fast, guys. I guarantee you. Put some layers in there. Then I'm going to put some salt and pepper on there. Like so. And put the rest in there. This spinach shouldn't take no more than probably about 3 minutes to break down. So yeah, we're just going to stir this around in here. Allowing this to break down. Put a little bit more salt and pepper in there. Now you could, if you want to, you can put you a little drop of vinegar in this also when it starts to break down, just to give this spinach a little bit more flavor. You can see it's breaking down. Don't take long at all, guys. Come in here with our corn, black beans, very easy recipe. Nothing hard about it. Put a cap of this vinegar in here. Just like so. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our chicken chopped up. And we're going to bring that to the party. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, here's my chicken. Cut these up fine. They don't have no big chunks of chicken in there. I rarely even seen some chicken in there. So we're just going to cut these up nice and fine. Like so. I got the other food in there cooking on simmer till I get done with this chicken. So alright, I'm going to just chop these up. Nice little bite size. Okay, we almost done here. And we're going to return this chicken to the party. So I'll see you guys over there. Okay fam, I'm back. Gonna add our chicken in here. Like so. Alright, we're gonna mix this around in here. Alright, so what we're going to do here, we're going to take our cheese, the whole bag guys, the whole bag. And we're going to toss this around till this cheese melts, and then that'll be our filling. I'm going to go ahead and let this cheese to melt, and take you guys back over there and we can start wrapping this stuff up. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Now what I did here, I added some of that sauce to this. That VERDE sauce. Alright, just like so. And I did use 1 egg to seal these egg rolls up. Alright. And I also wanted to use like some tortillas, right? I believe this is what they normally use at the store. So I'll probably do 4 of those. Alright, let me just put some of this stuff in here. Like a tablespoon and a half. Like so. I'm using two of these wraps. So you want to make sure they're kind of tight too, guys. Take your egg wash, put it around here, like that. Just continue to roll. And there you go. Just like so. Alright. Get one of these bigger ones out. Looks like a fajita shell. Okay, let's try this one. I'm going to have plenty of this stuff left over, guys. This may be too big. I think it's like a medium-sized one. Wrap this bad boy up like so. Egg wash over here. Yeah, they use like the medium sized one. I'm experimenting. Alright. So we just let that sit up or whatever the case may be. And we might air fry this one as well. I'm scared that might open up. See how that is? Put some on this side. Let this seal up a little bit around here, these edges. Alright, let's continue with our other egg rolls, our regular egg rolls. Let me show you guys another one of those. Right here, this. Take these, wrap that up. Take some egg wash. Close it all the way up. Yeah. Alright guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up and I'll show you over there in the fryer what we're going to be doing in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I got about 11 or 12 of these already rolled up. I'm just going to go ahead and drop this. It's at 350 degrees. I let them cook for about three minutes. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done with this easy Southwestern egg roll from Chile. Copycat recipe. And this what made it easy right here. Because I didn't have to make my own sauce. So let me show you that up close. Here's my plate. Okay. That's how that looks. So let me show you what I did. So remember them tortilla wraps? Those are these right here, the huge ones right here. I did end up frying them, and these are the egg rolls right here that I made. All right, and they taste super delicious. Matter of fact, I got a piece around here somewhere. I put it down. Oh, here it goes right here. It's good. You want a bite? Get you a bite. Right there. So, guys, if you like this recipe of the Southwestern egg roll from Chili's, please give this a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell. Just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Verde Dog Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.